Power on the grill. Press the left button once. Write down the grill ID, as you will need this later to register your grill. Press the star button once. Then press the left button twice to passphrase clear. Press the star button once to clear. Press the left button once to SSID clear. Press the star button once to clear. Press the left button 3 times to SSID. Press the star button once to begin entering your router information. SSID also means network name. The up button begins with capital letters A through Z. Then it cycles to lowercase letters A through Z. The down button begins with numbers and then cycles to special characters. SSIDs and passphrases are very case sensitive. Once you have the character you want, press the right button to begin entering the next character. Keep doing this until you have entered your SSID. When you have entered your SSID, press the star button to save. Now press the right button once to passphrase, then press the star button to begin entering your passphrase. Passphrase also means password. The characters for your passphrase follow the same orientation as the characters for the SSID. When you have entered your passphrase, press the star button once to save. You may enter the WEP key if you have one the same way you entered the SSID and passphrase. To hard save your SSID and passphrase to your Pellet Boss controller, press the down button once, then the left button once. Wait a few seconds while it configures. Then press the star button once, press the up button once to turn the web control on, press the start button to save. Now the Wi-Fi is set up on the grill controller. Follow the instructions on the MAK Grill's mobile website to set up your grill connection to your computer or phone app. Grill ID is not case sensitive if you enter it on the website, however, it is case sensitive on the app.